I'd been sharpening at home for customers quite a while. It got to lockdown and people had a lot more time to think about cooking, to experiment with cooking. Because they were using the knives a lot more, they were keen to get them looked after, so they started to drop them off. People started to ask us where we were getting these specific knives from, and it was a knife that we had, and we had it for years. So as soon as I realised there were so many people looking for that knife, I thought, well, maybe we'll start selling it. So then we contacted the manufacturer. We got what was a massive order for us at the time. What we realised now was so insignificant. We got this small order, we pushed our kitchen table to the back door, we put a post out on Instagram, people came, they were socially distanced down the alley. We pretty much sold out of all the knives, and we realised that this has definitely got some potential.
When we first started the business, I'd worked in cafes for 12 years. My favourite thing is that you are part of the community, you form these relationships. I wanted it to feel like a really welcoming, friendly space. We've been going 5 years now, but in the last year, lots of people travel to Ilkley from all over the country. They'll turn up and like, oh, we've been driving for 5 hours to get here. It's like, to get here, just to come here. They're like, yeah. I think Japanese knives can be very intimidating and overwhelming, and it's not. Like, we want to demystify that a bit. Some people are just like, oh no, I don't do enough cooking, or I'm not that good a cook to have a Japanese knife. It's like, no, you are. They're not super specialist. They're just a really good tool.
We want people to feel like they can ask any questions they want without being made to feel that they're being judged because they're not. And it's the same with the sharpening service. A lot of people would come in and the reaction will be, my knives aren't good enough to be sharpened. Well, everyone's knives are good enough to be sharpened. If the knives you use, they're worth sharpening. We walk to work, we bring our dog to work, we work with each other. We have a great time when we're here. We look forward to every aspect of the business. We know what you need to use in a kitchen, so we like to make sure we've got all the angles covered, but we do wait until we've found the right tool for the shop.
The fun is finding the makers and forming relationships with them. Some of the hand-forged knives that we can show to people and say, we literally met this blacksmith. You know, I think that's really important to be able to have had that connection.
We would hate the idea that someone was to come in here and they were to get the hard sell on something. So when you're really behind a product you're selling, that's not necessary. You can just talk enthusiastically.
You're excited for that person that they're going to get to have to take this thing home, or take this knife home, and know that they're going to get so much enjoyment out of it.